Hey guys, so I never really did a proper intro for the video just because this video took like a month to record because I surprised my cousin and my best friend with something at like a month ago, and then today is the day that I surprised Robert with the full-on gaming setup, streaming setup. But I'm throwing the surprising the monitors in this video too, just so I don't have to make that a separate video and it kind of matches the theme of this video. But I just wanted to give y'all a little update of what's going on so y'all know, and I never did a proper intro. So I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you're new. Like this video, comment, share this. Share my channel with everybody, please, because I've done a lot of stuff for the channel already, and hell, we don't even have 30 subscribers. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, and hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, off of the back of the package, or like the scheme of the package, what do you think it is?
Like I said before, I have no idea.
Especially with me.
I really don't know.
Especially with me. Just know you and Corbin got the exact same thing.
You got the exact.
Did you hear what the total was in the group chat?
No, I didn't.
It was a little over 700.
700?
Like, I'm not even joking. I'll show you the receipt. But yeah, no, you can go ahead and open it.
You didn't have to get something.
Bro, I'm blessed. I'm so like grateful to be able to do this.
No shot, bro. No shot. Bro. I did.
It's a 27-inch, 240 hertz, 0.5 second response time monitor.
Dude, come here, man. Thank you so much. That is insane. I was not expecting that whatsoever. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's all yours. Like, actually.
What? No shot.
I was trying to.
Are you for real?
Yeah. No, I got another box in there that's going to Corbin. Like, actually.
Crazy.
I thought it was gonna. I was hoping it would have like the design on it so you could see it, but it's the Odyssey one. It says, I mean, it's a good monitor.
What the hell?
I wanted to get 24 inches, but I mean,
No, it's fine.
oh well. Well. Look what the cat brought out.
No.
All right, ask Hunter the same question. What do you think it is?
I don't know. The box is pretty small.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty thin.
Pretty thin, yeah. Mm-hmm. It had him like shocked, like he's like hugged me, like said thank you.
Can't be what I thought it was originally, a monitor. Because, I mean, unless I'm underestimating.
I don't know. It's in the back of the truck. I ain't gonna lie. Because it's better lighting out here. It's like Christmas lighting, but it's freaking 40 degrees, so. Yeah, see how the deck the halls lighting outside? It's all you though, pumpkin butt. You can open it from any side.
It's cold as shit.
Yeah. So hurry up. What is it? It's a 240 hertz, 0.5 second response time Samsung Odyssey monitor. Holy shit! I'm fucking. Gentle. You can. I don't have a. Alright guys, so I actually just went on Best Buy, went and did a little bit of shopping. I found a good computer and a monitor. I hope it comes with a keyboard and everything. And then he actually won the giveaway of my headset, so I'm just going to go ahead and give that headset to him when we give everything to him later on in this video. So we just got into Best Buy. I'm not 100% sure which computer to get. I'm kind of just going off cases, whichever one has the coolest case, because I'm bougie. It don't matter. But Anyway, this one looks the coolest. This one looks like it's the best, but it's like $700 more, and I don't know about that one. So we're probably just gonna get this one if they have it in stock. I think it's this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and ask somebody. Actually, I don't think no one. Cause that one, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to ask somebody. Of course, I came in trying to buy Robert a setup, and I came out with a webcam for me. I'm gonna give him my old webcam, and of course, I freaking get key lights and spend more money on me. Jeez, so irresponsible. So we just picked up everything in Best Buy. Once again, I'm so appreciated I can do this. I'm so blessed. I'm so excited to be able to surprise him. He deserves it so much. But we're about to stop by Walmart or somewhere and get some wrapping paper. I want to wrap everything. So let's go ahead and go do that, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Even though I'm giving a gift to him today, I still want to wrap it because Christmas is like 2 weeks away, and just so he don't really know what it is till I'm wrapping it, so he's more in a shock. So let's get some cool wrapping paper, even though I don't know how to wrap. Comment W or L wrapping paper in the comments. It's Mickey Mouse and Paw Patrol. I think it's fire.
Hello.
What you doing?
Yeah.
Slide to the crib.
What are you guys doing over there?
I got you a little something for Christmas. Slide over here.
Alright.
I bet. I got you just 3 little things right here for your little setup that you're trying to build. It's something crazy. You can pick any single one you want first. It's up to you. What you think? What do you think it is?
Ain't no telling what it is, bro. You just want me to pick it?
Yeah, you pick. You go in order.
Me pick one of them?
Yeah, pick. They're all for you. It's whatever one you want to go in a row.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I can't open it, bro. I'm finna cry.
Right, you go, bro. Come on.
Open the box.
Yeah, can you tell which one's I wrapped?
Hell yeah. This is Landon rap one.
Yeah, 100%, 100%.
I ain't gonna lie, I've been practicing on NCAA.
For real?
I never lost. Until then, I'm getting it back in blood. That's what I came to do.
I bet.
Bro, this is a trick. It's a prank.
Nah, that's all you, I promise. You can hear. I gotta. Just a little 1080p 60 fps webcam. Could you like the stream? It's something slight. Bet. See, this is what you're streaming off of right now. This is what he's streaming off of, guys. Alright. What's next? I don't even remember. Yes, I do. I just wrapped it. What am I talking about? That's just a ball. It's inside. Brand new headset for you. That's that. Yeah, you can. It's wireless and everything. Wireless. You can use that to plug it in. And one more thing for you. Not me. Bro, it's good, bro. It's just a monitor to go with your Xbox. Cause like, you know, better performance, better everything. If you play 2K, NCAA, shooting games, like you can see faster, respond faster. Bro, you deserve all this, honestly. I mean, you've treated me better than anybody ever when it comes to like YouTube and stuff. Hold up. I got one thing.
We're streaming at night.
So, you love to stream, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. That laptop ain't cutting it anymore. That's a full pre-built gaming PC. Bro. One of the brand new, really good gaming computers. You can do anything you want on stream. Use it for the Xbox to stream off of. Play games. Play any game with me, Hunter, Corbin.
Bro, this can't be life. This can't be life, man. Gotta. Oh my
How
god,
was that up for
bro.
you?
Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna call my mama, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna call my mama, bro. My mama gotta see this, bro. My mama's mama, bro. Landon, bro. Oh my god. No. Oh my god, bro. She don't even, man. Bro. I can't open it, bro.
Merry Christmas, big dog.
Oh my god, bro. What, bro? How you do this?
It's a blessing, what can I say?
This can't be life, bro. This can't be life. But this one. Oh, fam.
Like, it's a professional monitor. Like what all the pros use. Have you ever had a monitor to play on?
No, bro. I've never had nothing. Bro, oh my god, bro. I don't even know how to work all this. You gonna have
I'll
to show
teach
me.
you. I'll teach you. Bro, forget everything else. Open up this bad boy.
What? Oh my god, this is, bro.
Bro got a streaming PC, gaming PC, anything he wants to do PC. He's always been like, bro, I'm trying to play with you and we can't play all these games because I be on computer.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, no, baby, bro.
Comes with a mouse and keyboard too, I believe. I think it comes with a mouse. If it don't come with a mouse, we can run the Walmart.
I got one.
I bet. It comes with a RGB keyboard.
Handle with kick.
The best thing to do with a PC when you get a new PC. Oh, I'm getting my money back. Yep, broken.
This is what we live for, bro. This is what we this is what we live for. Moments like this. Make America great again, man. It's glowing in the dark. I am from the trenches. I have never had nothing. I've never had nothing. The TC right there. There's gotta be a prank. This got to be a oh my god. This can't be real, bro.
Bro, this is all yours.
Bro, this cannot be real, bro. Bye.